This is the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. It looks really cool and very nice design. And then here is the camera in the front of the ring, and here are the sides. Very nice. And down here you can see something at the bottom. And then here we have the Floodlight Cam Wired Plus with ultra bright LED floodlights and a wide angle view. And security with 1080p HD video and built-in siren. So here are the features. There's the video, and there's also a motion detector, which can detect motion as people move by. And then field of view is about 140 degrees horizontal and 80 degrees vertical. The siren is remote activated. There's audio, lights, and then a camera lens. And it also works with Alexa. And then it also has power for hardwired 110 to 240 volts. And then here are the boxes. Very nice. And then the price is $199. And then we're back to the ring. So the connectivity is Wi-Fi connection and also operates under conditions of about -5F to 122F, so basically weather resistant. And there's also floodlight fixture and warranty of 1 year. A lot of features for the ring.